Welcome back to AP Biology, helping you study the study of life.
Today, we're going to talk about water and its properties. Water is extremely vital to life. Without it, life as we know it would not be able to function. The properties of water all begin with the elements that make up water. Water is made from 2 hydrogen molecules and 1 oxygen molecule. This is where we get H2O. Now, these hydrogens and oxygens are held together by what's called hydrogen bonds. Now, one unique thing about oxygen is that it is very electronegative. Electronegative means that it will pull the electrons toward it. So as you see here, we have a nice periodic table. And on the periodic table, the further right and up you go, the more electronegative elements become because they have more protons in their nucleus. And as you see, oxygen is pretty far up and to the right, so it's very electronegative. Now, why is the electronegativity of oxygen so important? And it is because it gives water a property called polarity. This means there is an unequal sharing between the oxygen and the hydrogen because the oxygen is pulling these shared electrons more. Now, this leads us into the 4 really cool properties of water: cohesion, adhesion, surface tension, and capillary action. So first, cohesion is the attraction of water to itself. And if you think back to the structure of a water molecule, the reason it does this is because the positive hydrogens on one water molecule are attracted to the negative oxygens on another. Now, when multiple water molecules are attracted to each other, we get this property called surface tension. If you've ever placed a paperclip just right on the top of a water glass, it floats. The paperclip should not float because it is more dense than the water, but the water molecules have created this surface tension. Now, the minute you bump the paperclip, the surface tension is broken and it will sink. The reason it is able to float, though, is because the water molecules on the top have nothing to latch onto above them. So they are attracted more to the molecules to the right and to the left and below them. This creates a stronger attraction of the water molecules on the top, allowing the paperclip to float. Another property of water is adhesion. Adhesion is when water molecules are attracted to other molecules. And we see this property most in life when the plant brings up water from the soil through its xylem. Now, the xylem is not a straw. So the only way the water can get up through the xylem is because it is attracted to its sides. As the water molecules attract to the sides and to itself through cohesion, it can climb up through the plant. This is called capillary action. Now again, the reason water can do this is because of the electronegativity of oxygen, which creates polarity in water molecules, causing the elements in water to have a charge, oxygen being negative and hydrogen being positive. Well, that's all we have for today, folks. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for tuning in. Go to our channel for more videos that will help you study the study of life.